Hello guys, it's Love, and today I'm back with a short going over this car mass airflow sensor removal. But if you're new to my channel, what I do is I go over cars in a quick, simple, easy way to remove parts and replace parts on your car. So if you're into that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that like button. But what I got here today, I believe, what year? I'm not sure. I work on so many cars that I do get a lot of them tangled up, but this one right here is a 2007 Hyundai Azera, or however you pronounce that thing. It's on the back somewhere. Y'all know what car I'm talking about. But I have the mass airflow sensor right here, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys how to remove this thing. As you receive, I already have it broke down right here. It was together as such. It was like this here, in a way, boop boop, as you guys can see. So what I did, I went on ahead and took these two bolts right here. Those was 10 millimeters apart, and sorry guys, I did break that trying to get it out of there, but that was the figuring out how I can get this information to you guys so you guys won't have to do this. But who cares about that, because we're replacing this part anyways. So after I did that, then it is a hose clamp on that. I did go ahead and remove that with some pliers, so I got that out of there, and then I was able to, no matter of fact, this was in there on a screwdriver on the back, but I was able to remove this part right here. This part right here is what holds your mass airflow sensor in place, and as you can see, I already have it out of there right here, and I do have the new mass airflow sensor right over here. This is the part number for it. I'm pretty sure they got this from Advance Auto, and this is how it comes out of the car. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove this out of this part. And I'm going to go ahead and push this in here so I can go ahead and give you guys a real in-depth. Hopefully this won't be too hard behind the camera, removing this mass airflow sensor. But if you guys can see up in there, it is a small clip, and the way I figured out this, I looked at the old mass airflow sensor, and if you look at that one, I'll give you guys a quick shot. And if you look at this new mass airflow sensor, it is, and you really don't want to touch this thing with your hands, but it is that tab right there, and that's what we're going to be pushing in on the side to remove this mass airflow sensor. So once we push that tab in the side, then we can go ahead and remove the mass airflow sensor. So let's go back over here, and the tools that I went on ahead to do this job is I went on ahead and grabbed it's like a 3-inch Allen key. So I got that, and I just got a set of pliers, and what I went on ahead and did is I went on ahead and slid that in there and pushed that tab. With that tab pushed down like so and so, then I was able to grab this end right here and kind of remove that as such. So now that that is relieved, you see that clip right there, and that is the clip that I was pushing down. And so now that that is removed out of there, I can install my new one. Alrighty guys, if this video helped you guys out any bit, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.